Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little footage of this little drive I'm taking. Just a little drive, nothing major. Y'all heard this bad boy? Look. Woo! My car, and if y'all don't see it, but maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but the car actually lift up a little, and the camera is shaking, so just bear with me. Yeah, it's shaking, just bear with me. I got this thing in sports mode, baby. These tracks right here used to be terrible. Then you ain't got to hit your brakes to go over. Thank you. By the time I tax money, pay for something. Hold on, I'm gonna put in manual mode right quick. Let me see. So you in manual mode, you gotta shift down. Yeah, so yeah. Woo! Ooh, driving in manual, boy. There's a daggone train up ahead. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna just go ahead up there anyway. Woo! Whoever said RTs are slow, don't line up against them. Don't line up. If you line up against an RT, you better have at least a baby, you better be packing though. And this train is moving slow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going around this mother. I'm most definitely 9 out of 10 going around this train. Watch this, y'all. I'm gonna go around this train, right? Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera back around. Hold on. I'm gonna follow that. That train is slowing, like stopping type slowing down, like crazy. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Yo, what's up, baby? This sun is beaming. Good Lord. Headed to the, well, not my crib, but my sister's crib. I'm trying to go eat, man. Got this RT Challenger thing in front of me. Woo! Woo! Y'all stay tuned to the channel now. Got some big things coming my way. Gotta wait till certain things drop right in place. It should drop in place this week. So, and you look at my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. My lips have been dry. I need some comments. Bro. That sun is beaming. I need the sun's out. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but yeah. Just stay tuned to the channel, baby. I'm supposed to go meet up with my mechanic. I think he on one of my videos. Y'all should go check that out. I don't know. I gotta find out. Yeah, I'm gonna link up with my mechanic dude, man. But about these cars, man, like I would never thought me personally would be qualified to get a brand new car. Like that's just amazing. God's gift, then. That's God's gift right there. I thought you had to have a whole lot of, like, you don't need a 850 credit score to get a brand new car. Let's just start right there. So you be like, dang, you gonna get a new car, and then you must get some money. You gotta have money. You gotta have that. No, you don't. You ain't gonna have none of this. Don't believe what one dealership tell you. Always be open to go to other dealerships, because other dealerships work with you a lot better than some dealerships work with you. Like, you can probably see my other video, like my other video, like this car right here, it's a blessing to me. But for real, I'm just being, man, I want to park in that space, but I can't never get that space, man. That's crazy. There don't never be no spaces over there. But this car right here is a blessing. It's a blessing to be driving this car right here, but I'm being a little greedy right now. Because I pretty much got the ends to be greedy right now, but shoot, if not all fails, I already got something in place for this car. So y'all stay tuned to that too, just in case. If you all, hey, we mess with these dealerships, anything could go sideways. Like, it could go sideways quick. The dealership say, oh yeah, man, you good, blah, blah, blah. Soon they tell you good, boom. The bank, like, yeah, you was good, but the banks, man, we trying to get the banks. It's pretty much up to the banks if you're good or not the dealership. But since I got this car from the same place I'm gonna get my other car from, y'all should take notes of that. I think I get a lawyer discount, a lawyer customers discount thing too. Plus you get mail and rebates, and I got some other stuff coming on. So at the end of the day, I should be leaving out at least with maybe $8,000 of discount. That's a $8,000. Damn, that'd be a little cheaper than this car for a brand new car. You know what I'm saying? So yes, Lord, what color should I get? What y'all think? I'm thinking more like, I don't know, I might end up with another black car, but I do like that one, but I want no black rims. If I could get them black rims on that car, but whatever rims I get, I'm gonna put them rims on that car. That should be dope. That's dope, man. Or they just like some type of gray type car. Y'all let me know what's up, man. I don't know. Shoot. I just be happy. I told the dude the other day, I said, man, I don't really care what color the car is, brother. No, I don't. I just know I'm getting a new car. That's a blessing for me. Right there. So, yeah, y'all see it's a beautiful day out here. Look at that. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful day out here. Beautiful day. Beautiful day out here. So, I'm about to go in the crib. I gotta get something to eat. Man, I ain't ate since 8 o'clock this morning. Can y'all picture that? It is now. What time is it now? It is now 5 o'clock. 4:59 to be exact. 5 o'clock. I ain't ate yet. I'm about to. Oh my gosh, look at the baby out there. Do y'all see it? Y'all see the baby? No, I gotta zoom in. Damn, you can't zoom. That's crazy. Alright, so see y'all again in the next video. Okay.